Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing this unboxing, but before we get to that, I did just last week reach 100 subscribers, so I thank everyone for subscribing, watching my videos, and liking them, so thank you very much. And hopefully the next 100 won't take us long, or I'll not try to be greedy. Alright, so on with the unboxing. So today I'm unboxing some more storage I got from Amazon. I did just post a video for storage like maybe 2-3 weeks ago. If I remember, I'll link it up. But you know what happens is when you buy something, Amazon keeps trying to like recommend other things for you to buy. So yeah, I found other things to buy. So this one is in a clear cover, so let's do this one first. So yeah, I did buy more of these containers that have the 60, or not the 68, what is it, the 56 containers in there. So this one is actually a 5-pack. It does come with a whole bunch of labels. I think they said it was going to be 400 labels. So, but it is very similar to what I had bought before. And if you watched my video about storage, which I will link above, I did say that these ones were not my favorite kinds because I have accidentally put the wrong drills back in. But I'm actually like so here is it kitted up. And I actually just finished this, and I'm going to be recording the completion reviews after this video. But after I used it and I figured out the strategy of using this, as in leave the box open when you're using it so that you don't accidentally put the drills in the wrong place, I've actually started really liking these. Okay, they're not in all, so I'm just opening random ones just to see if it does close. I have had issues in the past with these kinds where they didn't close as well. These don't seem as snappy as the 3-pack that I had bought. Let me see. No, I think I'm just misremembering. They do look a little bit different on the bottom. I think the 3-pack that I had bought before does look maybe bigger. I don't know. It's just at least less rounded. So they are not all, they all still seem to fit, but they're not all exactly the same. So yeah, no, I just bought more of these because they are actually very economical in space. And there are 56, what's that called? Boxes that you could put in here. And yeah, so far, me randomly choosing ones, it does seem like they do open and close and shut. And let's open a different box, because that is the problem with these sometimes, is you'll get the random one that doesn't close. Yeah, no, so far, so good. Oh, this one's broken. Ooh. So, I don't know if I'll make the effort to return them. But yeah, there is a broken one on this. You did see that it was just in the box without any sort of protection. So yeah, this one, the box doesn't seem broken. But yeah, okay, so the reason I bought this is it was relatively cheap for the 5-pack. Yeah, so here, the 5-pack was $17.99. Which comes up to what, like 3 something each, which I think is pretty cheap. I may or may not return this just because it's broken, or I'll ask the seller if I could have a discount. I don't know if that will work, but now I feel like I have to inspect them all. I mean, I just randomly picked one up. Oh yeah, so this one is broken a little bit, so I may or may not, yeah, I will probably do a complaint, see if I could get a discount or just return it. I do have a lot of storage. Do I really need more? But yeah, we'll see. it was cheap, I thought, you know, because it was what, $17.99 for 5 of these. So I will inspect more of these. I'll do a bigger inspection of these, but it just seems like so far it's just this one box looks like it got damaged. But yeah, so that's an option. So this is a good option if you don't have that much space, but you do have diamond paintings with a lot of colors. And I thought for, what was it, $17.99 for 5 of these, and I thought that was a great price. So my next one is very similar. Hopefully these ones aren't broken. It doesn't look like it's packed in anything like really protective, so we'll see. Okay, so this is the same thing except, okay, they're all individually bagged, apparently. Okay, so this is the same thing except they are just the one, what's it called? So there are the same, it's the same thing except instead of 56, it's just the normal 28. Yeah, and these ones snap more. So I'm gonna just randomly choose one, see if they close. This one doesn't snap as much. But yeah, it looks like these would actually be pretty good if you were gonna just give these out as gifts. It looks like they're like in individual packages. They're not sealed, I don't know why, but there's individual baggies for each one. There should be 10 of these, so let's see. So here's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 of these, and for 10, the reason I bought this is because for 10, it was $18.99. So I thought, so $18.99 for 10, so this comes out to be about $2. Well, with tax for me, a little bit over $2 each. If you don't have to pay tax, then this was what, like $1.90 each. So yeah, I am pretty much feeding into my storage obsession. I don't know if you realize, but I do really like storage. But now I could pretty much, with all of these, I could kit up like, what, 15 different diamond paintings, assuming they don't have more colors than what boxes I have. The one bad thing, I do like these for the small paintings. The one bad thing is there is only 28. And for some reason, a lot of paintings do have 30 colors. So yeah. But usually a 30 by 40 can fit into these. So yeah, there is me feeding into my storage obsession. I think I had 0 plans of buying these, but you know, Amazon likes to put pictures up of things that you have bought recently and you end up buying something. So kudos on Amazon on that kind of marketing. But yeah, no, I think I'm done buying storage. You will see a couple more in the future because I have bought some from AliExpress, but I haven't gotten them yet. But yeah, I think I'm going to off camera inspect all of these. I'm gonna see if I could get at least a I think I'm gonna go for just a discount, see if I could get a discount on the broken one, because I kind of want to keep them instead of returning them, but we'll see. And then I'm going to inspect all of these to see if they are good. And you will probably see me using these for a kitting up video soon. All right. Thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.